Hi everyone.
Today what we're going to do is we are going to be going over or learning about converting customer units of length. But before we get into that, we are going to review um, a lesson from last week, which was converting metric units of length. So let's get into that. Our abbreviations: kilometers is km, meters m, centimeters cm, and millimeters m. See, there we go. All right, so what we do to get from to meters is you multiply by 1,000. To get from meters to centimeters, you multiply by 100. And to get from centimeters to millimeters, you multiply by 10. All right, so when you're going from the larger unit, so this here is the larger unit, I will label that for us. All right, so amongst these four, this is the largest and this is the smallest. So to go from the largest to the smallest, you are multiplying. Now, if we were going from smallest to largest, we would be dividing. So to go from millimeters to centimeters, you would divide by 10. Centimeters to meters, you would divide by 100. And meters to kilometers, you would divide by 1,000. Going from kilometers to meters, that's what we're gonna do in this little table. I'm sorry, my table's a little crooked, but it's okay. All right, so if we had 2 kilometers and we wanted to know how many meters is equivalent or equal to 2 kilometers, we would multiply this 2 by 1,000 to get us to meters, okay? So 2, we could just put times 1,000 here. So 2 times 1,000 gives us 2,000. Therefore, there are 2,000 meters in 2 kilometers, or 2 kilometers or kilometers, however you say it, is equal to 2,000 meters. All right, let's say I had 8 kilometers. 8 times 1,000 gives us 8,000. So 8 kilometers is equal to 8,000 meters. Hope that makes sense. Now if we wanted to go from, let's do centimeters to millimeters. So centimeters to millimeters. So to get from centimeters, to millimeters, we need to multiply by 10. So 8 centimeters is equal to 80 millimeters. 12 centimeters, we're going to multiply that by 10, is equal to 120 millimeters. All right, so now we are going to get into how to go from meters to millimeters. So it's going to be a 2-step process. So what we're going to do is first we're going to go from meters to centimeters, and then we're going to make our centimeters into millimeters. 2 meters equals blank millimeters. So I'm going to do 2 meters times 100, and that would bring me to centimeters. So 2 times 100 is 200. So right now I'm at 200. Now to get from centimeters to millimeters, I need to multiply by 10. So I'm going to do 200 centimeters times 10. 200 times 10. So what we could do here is we could do 2 times 1, which gives us 2. And then how many zeros are in this problem? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put my 3 zeros. My 3 zeros there. All right, so 200 times 10 gives us 2,000. So this is 2,000 millimeters. So therefore 2 meters is equal to 2,000 millimeters. 2 meters is equal to 2,000 millimeters.